Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and if I seem a little nervous, it's because I am. My hands are shaking. Oh, I just drove home in a snow/ice storm, and yeah, it was a Jesus take the wheel kind of moment. It was scary. I hate driving in the snow, and it was so bad. So, coming down from my adrenaline right now. I have some fun things to show you. In this bag, I have a little project that I'm testing for my good friend Melanie from Hook to the Left. It's a fun pattern for coasters. So yeah, I'm working on that. Can't see too much yet, but it's not done, obviously. So anyway, I'm working on that. I'm still working on my squares for my granny square baby blanket. And my favorite thing is I made a pattern for the little baby bonnet. So Ginger the Yarn Geek just tested it for me, and she said the pattern looks really good. So tonight I'll probably upload that and make that available for purchase on Ravelry and Etsy. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm really excited about writing the patterns. It's a new step for me. It's so crazy. The confidence that it gives you to try something that you never thought you could do, and to try it and find out, hey, you can do it. It's great. So that's a wonderful, wonderful thing. Very confidence inspiring. I'm very distracted because I'm watching all of the cars go down my hill. Oh, it's so icky out. You can probably see it on the window. It's really coming down. I'm also a little nervous because my son's bus is going to be driving him home from school in this weather, and that makes me nervous too. And they go up on the highway, and yeah, it's scary. I don't like inclement weather when I'm driving or when someone I love is driving, because obviously my husband has to come home from work too. So until everybody is safe and sound in my home, I'll be a little bit edgy. Do you get like that? Probably. I think everybody probably does a little bit. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe it's just me. At any rate, I don't have too much else. It's just a Tuesday. Busy at work and doing my yarn thing. Getting stuff done. GSD, right? Getting stuff done. I really don't have too much else to share. I do have still this one project. Honest to God, you guys, I've got to finish this. This little hat has been trying to get finished forever. Why am I not finishing it? Why don't we just finish our whips? It's very cute. It's going to be adorable. I'll have a little pom-pom for it. It's mindless. It's just around and around. What am I waiting for? What am I waiting for? Crazy. Oh, so sunrises lately have been beautiful. I took some pictures yesterday, and actually I was able to get a couple in this morning as well. Beautiful sunrises. I love it. I love it. Are you a sunrise or a sunset person? Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. I'm a sunrise person. I think I'm a sunrise person. I don't know. I guess if it were a romantic time, I'd be a sunset person. Maybe sunsets are for dates. Date nights, right? Anniversaries, weddings. Actually, the day of my wedding, there was a beautiful sunset. I don't know. Let me know whether you're a sunrise or a sunset person. At any rate, at the very end of this video, I'm going to put in some pictures of the beautiful sunrises that I've seen the last couple mornings. Maybe I'd be more partial to sunsets if I saw them more. from where our house is situated, we don't get to see the sunset as much as the sun rises because we're on the east side of the hill. So we see the sun coming up, but we don't really see it setting. So maybe that's it. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Sunrise or sunset? And why don't we finish our whips? Just get it done. That's what I'm telling myself. Just get it done. I'll try. Maybe tonight. Maybe tonight I'll finish it. That would be good. All right. Talk to you later. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, but you're not quite done yet. If you'd like to see more car chat videos, go ahead and click on the little link below, and that's going to take you to the playlist of car chat videos. Also, if you really liked my video, please feel free to click on that little green circle with the little yellow chick in it, and that's going to help you to subscribe to the channel. If you click the little bell button as well, then you're going to get notified every time I release new content. And if you really, really, really like the video, please feel free to share it with some of your friends who you think might enjoy it as well. I think that's it. I think it's finally done now. Don't forget, look for the beauty in every day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.